In pretty much any Italian household, you'll grow up with hearing the sound of fried eggplant. And with this classic and simple recipe, it's easy to see why it's one of the most popular ways to cook the vegetable. Okay, first things first, we got one large eggplant, and we're just gonna cut off the ends. And now we'll start slicing it into discs. And you want them to be fairly thick. If they're too thin, you're not gonna really taste the eggplant after you batter and fry them. So basically we're going for about 1/2 of an inch. Sort of like that. And the other thing is, I'm not gonna pre-salt the eggplant. When cooking eggplant, it's pretty common to salt them to take out any bitterness. But again, when frying it, I really don't think that's necessary. If anything, a little bitterness can help, especially when you're covering it with breadcrumbs and frying it in oil. And most of the time, if you get a good eggplant from the supermarket, it's not gonna be very bitter anyways. Now that the eggplant is cut up, we're gonna prepare the breading station. So starting with 1 cup of plain dry breadcrumbs. And to that, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of freshly minced parsley, about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then in here, I have a couple ounces of Pecorino cheese. You can also use Parmesan cheese, of course, if you like that better, but it's gonna equal about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of cheese when it's grated. And Parmesan is less flavorful than Pecorino, so if you are using Parmesan, you might need a little bit more. That's looking pretty good. So now we're just gonna give it a mix. And this is basically the same coating I would use if I was making chicken cutlets, and it goes really well with, of course, eggplant as well. And we're gonna need something for the breadcrumbs to stick to, and that's just gonna be 2 eggs. So just give those a whisk. And so the egg has something to stick to. Last thing we need is a little bit of flour. So this is a 1/3 cup going onto a plate. And I hate when you're frying stuff like this and you add a bunch of flour to a plate, but you only end up using a little bit. So we can start with this, and if we end up needing more, we can add it. Okay, so for the breading, a light coating of flour. And for this part, you can use your hands. But then once you drop it into the egg, you're gonna wanna use some forks so nothing sticks to your hands. So give it a swirl around. Let the excess strip off. Place it into the breadcrumbs. And then right away, sprinkle some on top. And that will allow you to press it right in. Flip it over again, sprinkle on. It's really important to press it in. That way it will stick well and not fall off when we put it into the fryer. Sprinkle little breadcrumbs on your plate. And then place it on. So again, with your hands, a light coating into the flour, give it a tap, drop it right into the egg, swirl it around, drip it off, right into the breadcrumbs, coat the top, press it in, and that's it. Let's continue on with the rest of them. So we're almost done with breading the eggplant, and in the meantime, you do want to heat up your oil, because after they're all coated, we're gonna drop them right into the fryer. So in this medium-sized saute pan with fairly high edges, I already have about 1/2 inch of canola oil heating up, but you can use whatever neutral oil you like. And to that, I'm also adding a good amount of olive oil for the flavor. And that will give us enough oil to do a solid shallow fry. So once your oil is at about 350 degrees, you can slowly start dropping in your eggplant. And you don't want to overcrowd the pan, but you can probably fit about 6 or 7 at a time, depending on the size of your pan. And then just give them a nudge with your fork. And they're only going to take a couple minutes on each side, but really we're going for color than anything else. So once they're golden brown on the first side, we'll give them a flip over. And once you drop them in, it's going to drop the temperature of the oil a little bit. So just raise it up on the stove to keep the temperature constant. All right, so that's a little longer than 3 minutes on the first side. So now I'm gonna flip them over. And as you can see, they're nicely golden brown. And we're probably gonna only need about 2 minutes on the second side. Okay, that's 2 more minutes. Check the bottom side, looking golden brown as well. And I do have a sheet pan with a rack waiting for the ready ones. That way the excess oil can drip off. And for this part, it's easiest to do with a pair of tongs. So just grab them and place them on the rack, letting the excess oil drip off. And now we can continue with the other batches. All right, you know the drill. Just a couple minutes on each side or until they're golden brown. And while the eggplant is frying, I do of course have a nice marinara sauce simmering, which will be the perfect thing to dip the eggplant in. All right, that's our last batch. Get them onto the rack. And right after they come out of the oil, it's best to hit them with a pinch of salt. That way it will stick. And these are ready to enjoy. And there you go, classic fried eggplant. Serve it up with the marinara sauce. Thank you for watching. I hope you try this one out.